como é. Sei que o nosso amor aquece quando quer. De manhãzinho o sol nasceu. Deu esperança de beijinhos. Não espere tanto, tanto tenho a dar pra fazer o frio evaporar, pra fazer o frio evaporar, pra fazer o frio evaporar.
So I am switching up my Patreon clubs starting in September. I am going to be offering a riso print monthly club instead of my print clubs. So that'll be replaced with my riso club, and this is the first print. This Mr. Melon is the mascot of my little riso project that I have going on. So I used him as inspiration for like September's Patreon awards. So I'm getting all of that ready. And I'm excited but also nervous for that switch. Anytime I switch things on my Patreon, it can be a little bit scary because Patreon is like my stable income that helps me pay my bills and all of that. So a little bit nervous, but I made 100 of these, so I'll have 100 spots for my riso club every month. I'll see if I increase that if it turns out that I need to, but for now 100 spots on my riso club, and you can start to sign up on September 1st. Yeah, it's definitely.
I had the people, the family.
Could you get up
Did your family ever
I get so cold in the other room? Here I am, honey, half awake. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay.
This is what my nails ended up looking like. I love them so much. They're so cute. Ignore my blood because I can't stop picking my cuticles. But they're so cute. She did such a good job. Also feeling very cute with my outfit today. I just feel like I haven't worn this denim skirt in so long, and it's one of my favorite thrift finds, so I wore it today. I also Like, I'm so sick of summer fashion. So yes, I am wearing like a sweater vest sort of thing, but it's fine.
Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving and you'll be
I'm currently packing up sticker mail orders from my shop update because I am completely out of some of the mailers that I use, like some sizes, and I just didn't realize that I was almost out of it, so I kind of had to like pause packing orders, and now I'm just taking advantage to pack all of the sticker mail orders. Yeah, it's also kind of been hard to do tasks this week. Ever since my ADHD diagnosis, I've been trying to be like really in tune with, I guess, that like motivation sensitivity and like knowing when to push myself and when not to. And also I saw this post about like accepting the bad version in a way, instead of expecting the perfect version. So like normally I would be like, okay, well, I need to sit down and pack all of these orders in one sitting. And if I feel like I can't do that or I don't have the time or whatever, it feels really overwhelming, so then maybe I even avoid the task. But I was like, you know what? I can't pack normal orders right now because I don't have the mailers, but I can do all of the sticker mail orders, and I think that'll leave me with like a good sense of finishing tasks for the week at least. Happy Saturday. I actually have a little art market today at Art League again. So we are preparing everything to head out there. I got this new square reader, like the fancy ones, and I forgot to set it up. So we're just quickly setting up the software and then we can head out to go. And my setup is a little bit different for a market that's like this. We try to do like more of a flat setup because we're not competing as much with the like super tall tables of other vendors, because at this event everyone does mostly like flat stuff, so I think we can get away with like a flatter layout. I have finally wrapped up packing for the shop update. I know that I feel like that can get kind of boring, and I also get super focused in whenever I'm packing orders because I guess now I can blame it on the ADHD, but I have a long history of like forgetting to include things in orders, or like I skip over like checking the quantities and stuff. And over the years I've gotten better, but it's just whenever I pack orders, I have to put 100% all of my focus on packing orders. I'm always super grateful, especially right now, you guys, like the state of the world and just also all of the changes and like shipping and like tariffs and everything. So always want to say a thank you to everyone that has placed an order for this shop update. And I actually just placed another order for new products because this shop update, maybe you guys noticed, but I did mostly things that I was able to make at home just because the shop update that I did before this past one, I manufactured a lot of products. So I felt like it was time to give a little bit of a refresh, and I just placed a huge Vogue Race order. I spent like over $1,500. I don't even think you can see that, but I spent like over $1,500 on new goodies, and I don't have almost any designs ready to be manufactured, but I decided to place the order before getting stuff manufactured because I tend to put off designing manufactured goods just because a lot of times it can mean like new templates or stuff like that, and I just tend to procrastinate on it. So I was like, okay, if I spend the money now and place the order now, it's gonna rush me and push me to get the designs in fast. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I still have to pack Patreon envelopes. They got kind of delayed because of the shop update. So I have to like laminate and make those stickers and pack those envelopes and such, but my patrons are wonderful, so they're always super patient. But it's kind of, I'm sorry, it's been a little bit of a mundane week for me, but I had a lot of fun at Art League, a market that I did very recently, and then I just posted a reel actually of just like a little collaboration that we did. They didn't pay me or anything, but like I love Art League and I want to invite more people into the art community here in Houston, so we did a little collaboration. That's what's been going on for me. I thought you guys needed an update because this vlog's been she's been a little bit chaotic. So I recently got this set of acrylic brush markers, and I also just so happened to be so close to finishing my sketchbook. Like, how many pages is that? Like 10? I haven't finished a sketchbook in years, so I'm gonna do some teeth studies, weirdly enough, because something that I found with this specific marker set and this is that there's not a lot of dark values, so I kind of want to play around with the lighter ones and do some teeth and mouth studies. Hello. I'm here to say goodbye, and this is the end of the video. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a proper outro this time, and also, I know this vlog was so short. If you're new here, I try to not make the vlogs so short, but just with like everything with the shop update, I kind of like lost my groove a little bit with filming, and honestly I kind of needed a filming break. And like I had mentioned earlier, I really needed to lock in and just get orders packed up because I don't like having a lot of, like, too many pending tasks, because then it sort of just creates a lot of noise in my brain and then it gets really hard for me to function. So proper outro for you. Thank you for making it this far. I hope you enjoyed the small little clips that I was able to get for this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Lots of exciting videos coming. I have a lot of really fun stuff planned, so keep an eye out for that. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Before we close out today's video, I wanted to quickly mention our sponsor, which is of course Squarespace, a very long time supporter of this channel. And if you don't know who they are an online platform where you can create your very own website all in one. You can do so many things with Squarespace. I run my website, my online art business, and my portfolio all on my Squarespace website. And commerce is like super easy to establish on there. For example, their commerce tool, it keeps track of all of my inventory, all of my products, my customer data, my shipping fulfillment profiles, so many different things. So if you're interested in starting a website with Squarespace, you go to squarespace.com and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.